we are introducing the newest products. This is split units for the walking systems, either freezer or refrigerator. You can choose this one. Let me take a measurement for these units first. We're having the outside condenser box. The overall depth will be 28 inches, and the length that will be 38 inches, and the overall height that will be 20 inches. And this split units inner the box. We take a measurement on this one. The length will be 45, almost 46 inches. And the depths include the plastic covers for the fan. That will be 16 inches. And the overall height for this unit will be 15.5 inches. And for the units coming with the manufacturer warranty sign, also have the parts. We're having the temperature box for this one. You can set up the temperature you want, and the capillary tubes, and the solenoid coil kits. And this we call the TXV valves and the connection valves. And also the units come with the copper pads at the behind. One is here, and the one is behind right here at the bottom of the units. So the units can running the pretty good well for the walking system. And if you do have more questions, and you can contact us for the details. Thank you so much.